This video takes you through how easy it is to connect the Condensate Pro connection. The box contains one ready-made connection, one 50mm pipe clip, one spacer bar, one pipe snug, one tube of bond and seal. On a new installation, drill a 12mm hole. With your 52mm core drill a hole. Please note you only need to drill around 30mm to take the pipe snug. Then drill a hole through to take either 32 or 21.5, depending on manufacturer's instructions. If it is an existing waste, use the Condensate Pro Drift Kit to easily upgrade the hole. Fit the pipe snug. Take the ready-made connection and cut the insulation off so that the connection fits in the pipe snug. Make sure there is a gap between the pipe and the wall. This stops any debris and lets air circulate. Connect 32mm into the socket, or use a reducer to fit 21.5. You are now ready to extend to the termination. Cut the spacer bar down to the desired length, and use to space your clips off the wall. You can use this to go over anything in the way, eliminating using any bends or 45s. Please note: make sure the pipe snug is sealed to the insulation. All joints are sealed. It is important to only use Condensate Pro Bond and Seal. This protects in all temperatures and makes sure no moisture penetrates inside the insulation.
Thanks for watching. If you need any help or advice, we are here to help. Thanks.